You know Für Elise, right? That beautiful piano piece everyone plays. Well, it was not written for a girl named Elise, and it's actually a tragic love story. For more than 150 years, everyone believed this was a love song for a woman named Elise. But the original manuscript doesn't say Elise at all. It says, Für Therese. So who is Therese? And why would someone change her name? In 1810, Beethoven was 39 years old, a genius composer, but lonely. He fell in love with a young woman, Therese Malfatti. She was smart, kind, and 18 years younger than him. Beethoven loved her so deeply, he even planned to propose. He wrote this piece as a gift, a musical love letter. But here's the tragedy. Beethoven never got the chance to confess. He was deaf, poor, socially awkward, and he believed she deserved someone better. Therese married another man. Beethoven kept the music. Years later, someone tried to copy the manuscript and misread the handwriting. Therese became Elise, and her story was forgotten. So the next time you hear Für Elise, remember, this is not a song about a girl. It's the echo of a love that never happened. If this changed the way you hear music, hit subscribe. I'll tell you the real story behind the world's most famous music every week.